Freedom. This is a word I've been pondering a lot lately, and the more I think on it, the harder it becomes to define. It means so many different things to so many different people, especially now. Don't worry, I'm not going to get political on you, but given the current state of things and the impact it's had on our family and travel plans, I couldn't help but think, what is freedom to us? We're about to leave behind normal life and the convenience of infinite running water and electricity, long hot showers and our favorite Netflix shows, but is freedom really being able to enjoy these things anytime we want? Or are they just distractions from a life full of things holding us in place? I mean, I get it, we're not all built to be nomads, travelers, or wayward wanderers, but I often think that the things we think will bring us happiness are the things that keep us from experiencing anything outside of our self-induced bubble. Don't get me wrong, living a life on the road isn't any easier than being at home, maybe even a little harder. But at the end of the day, being outside our comfort zone forces us to grow, evolve, and see things from other perspectives. So to us, freedom is the ability to go, to be nomads, to leave behind all the things holding us home, and to experience the world and all it has to offer. Alright, today's the day. We're supposed to leave sometime today. I'm not entirely sure if that's going to happen or not. We've got so much to do. But we're going to try, right?
Yeah.
And then,
because you wanted to go for weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks.
It's true, I have been ready to go for almost a year now. But today, we're going to leave. And destination is the Bend area. I know. Sorry, no Asia this time. But we'll go travel and go see some cool stuff anyways, okay? So anyways, destination is Bend. Pick up a few things, stay there for probably a day or two, and then head into eastern Oregon to explore the Oahe Wilderness. Alright, things are looking up. Things are going a little quicker than I thought this morning, so we actually may get out of here today. Famous last words, right? But we've got the water tanks full, got the skateboard mounted, just gotta get the food loaded, and a handful of other things, and I think we're almost ready to go. We might get out of here after all.
Mistakes haunt us, but do they really daunt us? Your tongue can be sharp, cut me close to the heart, but we can master the art. And the thing is that these scars are scary, but they are just some old scars. We should never be afraid of them.
Well, we made it to good old Bend. Now we're gonna go to the Columbia store to exchange some stuff, get some stuff, and then Eddie Bauer to do the same.
Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free. I'll keep my head high while we're crossing the land. With all the minds we laid down, it's gonna take us some time.
Alright, we went, we did, and now we're gonna go hunt for our camp spot for the next 2 days. So, off we go!
We have drifted off too far. Let's tear down these walls. Our destiny has called. We're walking down a path, and the wind will change at last, like a song about our past. So I'll just close my eyes down next to me. Close your eyes and we'll be free.
right, we made it. Made it. Got our camp kind of set up. We're only going to be here for a couple days, so we're not going to break it all out, but got a new water heater that I need to put in. We need to run to Bend and get the oil changed in the truck, do a few other errands, and then we're truly off on our trip and headed towards east. Yeah, it's weird being out here and actually being on the trip. It's kind of a surreal feeling. It's been a long time in the making and had our ups and downs and switch arounds. And yeah, so while we wait for Southeast Asia to open up, here we are traveling the States. Man, this place has got a lot of mosquitoes. Yes, ma'am. Out, Jax. Okay. What do you need? Okay. What do you need? Alright, today's project, swapping out the water heaters so we have hot water. For some reason we've had two water heaters, same water heater, same place, but the line blew in two different areas. So we're thinking it was because it was in the cold weather and maybe froze. Whatever the case, I'm gonna install it. It's not working. I am not sure why it's not working. It might be batteries or who knows, but it is not working right now, and I'm gonna take a break because I'm getting a little frustrated. But I think what I'll do is I'll probably drag it back to Bend when we go to town and take it to Overkill and see if they can get it to work. I can't. But I guess that's the nature of the beast. You're working on stuff you don't quite get. We'll see.
Real bad boy. I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulder, heart full of blues. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt. I've been a real bad boy on the town all night, starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt.
We went to Overkill to see if we could get the water heater to work, but unfortunately, they've changed all the fittings now on them, so nothing they have worked. So, fingers crossed, we're hoping it might just be bad batteries, but we're gonna grab some new ones anyways, and hopefully that's the issue. What we're doing now is getting the oil changed, because we never did that before we left town. So we're gonna do that, run some errands, and then head to camp.
I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulder, heart full of blues. I'm in the
Okay,
dirt.
so we we need a Wi-Fi hotspot for traveling, so we're gonna head into Verizon since Verizon seems to have the best service out of town. We're gonna go in there and see if we can get us a Wi-Fi hotspot so we can have internet service while we're traveling.
I've been a real bad boy on the town all night. Starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt.
We went in to get a hotspot and ended up switching both our phones to Verizon, and then I, for some reason, can't seem to find a 1/2-inch hitch pin that's long enough for the lock and roll hitch. So, anyways, our first couple of days on the road were a bit chaotic, but we were just happy to be traveling. It'd been an uphill battle just trying to figure out what was open and where to go. So as we raced the sun into the horizon, we anxiously awaited what Eastern Oregon had in store for the Ox family.